Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You first confirm your iPhone runs a recent iOS and that personal hotspot is enabled. This lets others join securely. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and the phone stays unlocked so the QR generator can include network details. Now open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and look for the Share or QR option. This is the first actionable step to create a QR for quick device connections without typing the password manually. You now generate the QR, tap the Share or Create QR button in Personal Hotspot. The phone constructs a QR containing SSID and password, so allow any permission prompts. This is why you keep the device unlocked. If needed, change the hotspot name or password first so the QR encodes current credentials. Once the preview appears, take or save a screenshot and optionally export the image. This preserves the QR for other devices to scan and join instantly. You finish by sharing the QR. Have the other device open camera or a QR scanner and point at the image. A prompt to join network appears. If scanning fails, make sure Personal Hotspot is visible, the password matches, and both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active, because iOS uses those radios to negotiate the connection. If problems persist, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, or change the password and regenerate the QR. Then try scanning again immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.